Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Hafiza Fadiyal Education Wali. I am student at Rehan School Online Academy ACCL Foundation Level Batch 13. Today my topic is the power of dream and curiosity. Whose speaker is Adil Hashmi? Adil Hashmi is a famous Pakistani television film actor, screenwriter, producer, comedian and a social writer. He is also Pakistani motivational speaker, trainer, and youth mentor for inspiring young people to dream big, stay curious, build self confidence, and develop a positive mindset. Now, after listening his video, who talked at TEDx Punjab University youth after listen his speech, I give you review on his video. Is my opinion this video give us three main lessons for young people. First, dream. Second, curiosity and failure. First, I tell you about dream. The biggest message of this video is that every great achievement begins with a dream. If we believe in our dreams and work hard to achieve them, we can amazing things. Dream give us direction, purpose, and the motivation to keep moving forward. And next is curiosity. Another important lesson is the value of curiosity. Curious people always ask questions, explore new ideas, and never stop learning. Curiosity helps gain knowledge, improve our skills, and discover new opportunities. It encourages creativity and help us solve problems in better ways. And last is failure. The video also teach us that failure is not the end of journey. Everyone faces challenges, setbacks, but successful people learn from their mistakes and keep trying. Ever failure is a chance to grow stronger. Wise answer and more determined. One of the key messages for young people is to dream big and believe in yourself. Never stop learning, asking questions. Stay curious about the world around you. Don't be afraid of making mistakes because they help you improve. The main purpose of this video is to inspire young people, is to develop confidence, stay curious and follow their dreams with dedication. This video teach us that dreams give us destination, curious, help us learn and hard work turns our dreams into reality. If we stay focused, keep learning, and never give up, we can achieve our goals and make a positive difference in our lives and the lives of others. Thank you.